There's the whole set right there. What I suggest we do.
What do y'all ladies, what do y'all?
Here, and put every bit of that stuff together in that helps right there.
You know I'm going to rearrange everything now.
Yeah, but I mean the jewel tea stuff we can put it
Yeah.
all together now because I know you want to. I clean that out and I put every bit of that jewel tea together.
I know I may end up putting all of the, I mean it's got to come out either way.
Yes, that's on that kind of stuff.
Um,
Well, I didn't move anything but here.
Well, yeah. I mean what I may do, I mean I may even put all the clear glassware in there. You know what I mean? Put the jewel tea and put the jewel tea on the table. You know?
Yeah, that'd be great.
I mean, because a lot of that is just, I mean, it's small stuff that go on shelves or whatever.
Hey, yeah, we can do that.
I mean, that's not my concrete.
We gotta get all of that out.
Yeah, it's not.
And then we can put all of this in.
Everything on this side's clean.
All this has been
Okay.
cleaned. That's been cleaned. This is the same thing.
Let's think a little birdhouse.
That's just a little birdhouse.
All right,
Um,
let's put this in. I'm gonna take this up.
But I just, you know, when we pull that out of there, I don't know. Mass confusion. Just confusion, Ray.
Catch me with a bucket again?
I'm sorry. Keep walking around with that.
Every bit of that's got to come off the top and out of there.
I know, but I don't know that that's what I want to do. I'm not sure that's what I want to do at this point.